Here the question is, which among the following is used for the refining of metal in Mond's process? Mond's process is also known as Mond gas process, and this is a method for the refining of nickel. It includes several steps, and the reducing agent used here is carbon monoxide. The first step is nickel ore is roasted in presence of oxygen to convert nickel sulfide to nickel oxide. And the second step is reduction. Here the nickel oxide is reduced into nickel metal by carbon monoxide. This produces nickel carbonyl gas. And in the third step, the nickel carbonyl gas is purified by distillation, and the purified nickel carbonyl gas is decomposed at high temperature to produce the pure nickel. And the recycling process include, that is, the carbon monoxide gas will be recycled back into the process. This method is notable for its ability to produce very pure nickel and for its efficiency in handling low grade ores. So here the correct answer is option C, carbon monoxide.